If you want to disconnect Google Calendar from Otter.ai, this video will walk you through the process step by step in just a minute. This is helpful if you no longer want Otter.ai connected to your calendar, or if you're cleaning up the apps and integrations linked to your account. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, sign in to your Otter.ai account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Integrations. This is where Otter.ai stores the connected apps and services tied to your account. On the Integrations page, look for Google Calendar in the list of connected services and click it. After that, you should see an option to disconnect the integration. Click Disconnect to begin removing the connection between Otter.ai and your Google Calendar. If a confirmation message appears, make sure to review it and confirm the disconnection. This final step ensures the integration is fully removed. Once that's done, Google Calendar will no longer be connected to Otter.ai, and the app will stop syncing with your calendar. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully disconnected Google Calendar from Otter.ai. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more quick how-to guides.